Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Law and Crime Network, and the title of the video is 18-year-old attempts to fight police during DUI arrest. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. Hopefully this is a good one.
And was head on with cars that were parked on Scenic going south, and there was a police officer on the...
Yeah, that was me.
That was you?
Uh-huh.
But she was like twirling her hair, and then she's like going like
Not a care in the world, you know?
How's it going today?
Just trying to
Yeah? What kind of errands you running?
grocery shopping, filling bills, just adult things.
Yeah. So where were you coming from?
If we're being honest, I am on the way to pick up on my friend, and because I don't like doing things by myself because I have anxiety, so I like people coming on rides with me. So I was gonna go pick her up so I can go to the dispensary, get what I need, and then bring it back home. If you want to, I can show you my medical card.
Okay, that's a question.
Do you have a prescription for Xanax bars? No? Have you taken any? Alright. Hang tight. You can get some gloves. Because I believe they're sitting right there in the driver's seat.
For me, it pretty much stays simple.
Ma'am, is your ID in your purse?
Yes, it is.
Alright, I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, I said I'll get it. Stand over there at the end of your car. Do you hear me?
Okay, but if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
Alright,
If we're all humans here, if you were more respectful about it, I'm just saying.
where's your ID at? Is it in here?
Can I look for my wallet? Well, why
Oh,
are
I
you
got
looking
it.
for my wallet? No, the thing is, that's my property. You have no choice.
Actually, I do, because I found friggin' Xanax bars on your driver's seat. If you want to explain something, explain those.
Girl, the fact that you're just
218,
looking
copy
for my
Florida.
stuff.
They were in plain view.
Yep.
That makes a difference.
Oh, were they in plain view?
Yeah, your butt was covered.
Okay.
Here, will you do me a favor and go sit on the bumper of that car over there?
What? Okay, I just want to know what I was doing in particular.
Okay. The reason you were pulled over...
Come on now, you better tighten up. You don't want to ruin your life at 18 years old. You better just be real easy.
You were called in as a possible drunk driver, and from the people that were calling in said that you hit multiple things. I haven't been to the other side of your car or really inspected your car yet to verify that, but you were found here. She's getting out with you. You were called in as a drunk driver. Okay. Upon contact, she's finding things that are illegal in your car. So this is kind of the development that we're going. Okay. So for right now, while she's doing her job, we're going to give her some space and we're going to go sit at the front of that car. Okay.
No, I understand.
Okay. That's fine. You can, the fenders can be hot. If you want to sit on this bumper, that's probably not going to be as hot, but the fenders get hot. Ma'am, over here, please. I've asked you. You're right. It is your car. Did she say yes or no? I'm sorry, she started talking. Okay. Hey, I've asked you nicely. You asked me to be respectful, didn't you? Have I not been respectful with you? And you're not doing what I asked you. Okay, would you like to sit down on the grass over there?
Can I sit down in my car?
No, you cannot.
What if I just have my hands up, everything?
No, you're not getting back in your car. You can sit on the grass over there, or we can sit in the back of this car here, whichever one you prefer. Okay? The only thing I'm seeing is there's some scratching stuff right there.
I'm gonna get my phone.
No, you're not. You're staying right here.
Okay, but why can't I get my...
Alright, we're done. We're done. We're done. If I'm the cop, we're done. Done. You're going in handcuffs and you're gonna sit in the back of the car. You're gonna be detained until we figure out what else is going to happen. But I'm done. We're done playing the babysitting game, okay? And not dealing with toddlers here.
From to like at least have.
You're
my
not getting
own
back in that
va-
car until they're done.
Okay, but I feel like I should be able to. It's my right to like record anything that's happening in
Everything's
my life.
being recorded right here.
I know, but why can't I record it for myself?
You're not going back in that car.
But why can't I record?
You can request this recording.
You can come with me to my car. My phone
Hey.
is right on that seat. One of y'all can come with me to that seat to get my car. To let me videotape, because that is my human right. That is the bare minimum y'all can do. So I can go to my phone is right there. Look behind you.
So, you have any idea why we're here?
Apparently what man's saying was I was drunk driving.
Okay, I take it you wasn't drunk driving.
No, I'm not drunk driving.
Out of curiosity, has your car always been like that in the front?
Yes, I have. Yeah, honestly, okay. What happened first? Okay, see this part of my car?
I do.
One day I came back from work, was getting off and shit.
Mm-hmm.
That was missing. No clue how it was missing. It was missing. This side of my car, we have a Chevrolet truck that's in its vintage.
Who's we?
It's my grandpa's old school Chevrolet truck.
Gotcha.
So it's it's the biggest. And my grandpa got a Jeep Cherokee that's also just built in the 1990s, and then they got a sidekick Susie.
Okay.
Susie or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, do I need to get that fixed?
No, I'm just curious. I'm talking to you briefly here. When I got here, I saw your demeanor, your actions, and all that stuff, okay? Now, when I talk to you even more, and I'm looking at some indicators right now, okay? I'm looking at your pupils, I'm looking at your eyes, and I think that you might be on the influence of some type of narcotic. Not alcohol, but I believe in narcotic.
There we go. Good, man. That's a good officer right there, man, because, yeah, she's tweaking. She's tweaking out, man. She's bugging out. She's not drunk. We've seen plenty of stories of the way drunk people act. But the way drunk people act and people that, pill popping and all that, they act completely different. But you still can't be driving a motor vehicle regardless.
Narcotic.
I understand.
Okay? So based off of what I'm seeing so far, would you be willing to do a field sobriety test to dispel my suspicions that you're under the influence of any type of narcotic? You willing to do that? Okay, do you have any injuries that I need to know about? Head injuries? Have you had any previous concussions?
Not
No.
that I medically seek attention for. Yes. I mean, medical-wise, might have had a concussion. Never went to the hospital.
Have you ever had a concussion within the past, let's say, 10, 24 hours?
10, 24 hours. No.
Yo, she's stuck, boy.
Actually,
Face the car. Spread your legs for me. Face the car. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I'm looking for retro
Spread your legs.
harassment. Ooh, damn, girl. You're touching me up.
Face down. I said face down. She's straight. She's good.
Can I touch my bro?
It's all on camera.
Get off all my shit, bro. I mean, you guys are gonna steal my lavender?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Oh, you wanna choke me the f out?
Listen, don't try that female officer now. I'm telling you, when it's the females on the females, they get it. They get it. They gonna get it popping. You hear me? They gonna get it rocking. Now, when it's the guys and the females, it's like, you know, it's not natural. It's natural for guys to be beefing with guys. It's not natural for guys to be beefing with no females. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, we don't want to get involved with that. But when it's girl on girl, oh yeah, that cop already been telling her, look, get right, what, face forward, So I'm sure this female cop gonna get her together, man.
You got her?
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Oh, you want to choke me the out? Oh, you want to choke me out, girl? Do you want to choke me out, girl? Holy oh, you really want to choke me out, girl? Bitch, I was not doing nothing to you. You want to choke me?
Yeah.
I told you.
Can you give me the Eagle 28 one more time? Verify.
I thought they said they had it.
Huh?
I'll get
It's my grandparents' phone number because last time one of you guys took me to the mental hospital, my grandparents could not find me for weeks. Okay, and your officers were like, "Oh, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna say this is wrong," but all you guys do
You
is
have her.
lie.
That's gonna be a fun ride out there.
Yeah. Man, I can still hear her screaming. I can still hear her.
Now that's messed up. They know they dead wrong, man. They got the brother escort her back to the precinct, man, or the police station. Come on, man. Yeah, they know they dead wrong for that, man. You know, like she bugging out. Like, why the brother gotta deal with that, man? Come on, that's crazy, man.
Jeez.
God, wasting your mouth time because you just need to meet your quota. Ha ha ha! Blue lives isn't America. Blue lives is a job choice. It is not a matter. It is not a privilege. You chose to be a car. What are you gonna do to my car? What are you gonna do to my car? What are you gonna do to my car? You know what? Everything is gonna be fine. I'm gonna get bailed out. And girl, I'm gonna have a good 2 weeks. Dip out this motherfucking place, bro. I can't wait. So genuinely, thank you. Thank you for letting me finally be free and giving me such BS of capitalism to the point where I'm just like, wow. Nothing really gives a f***. Cops don't give shit to nobody but to meet their quotas, and they pick and choose when they want to be nice. But like at the end of the day, whole ass.
Over here.
Oh, you're gonna tie me down, sir? Oh. All y'all wanted me is your quotas!
Rosa Unit 60.
Ha ha ha, blue lives matter, bitch! It's a choice to be a cop, it's not a life!
Oh my goodness, she is crazy, man. Crazy. I mean, I wonder what she's gonna be like when when her with her being intoxicated, when it actually wears off, and she finds herself on Law and Crime, and hopefully she finds herself on ShyGotEm, you know what I'm saying, too, you know what I'm saying? What is she gonna be thinking? Like, dang, was I really bugging out? Yeah, gotta stay away from them pills, man. They be pill popping and all that, man. She a lost cause, man. I'm trying to tell you, a lost cause.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.